Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how fast you can animate human generator character lip sync with AutoLipSync Pro. So imagine trying to animate a character lip sync. Even one word can take so long to animate. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to use AutoLipSync Pro. So let's start.
After the game, we all went to celebrate at my friend's house and had a small party with music, snacks, and lots of funny moments. Someone even tried dancing in the middle. Hey guys, I still can't believe our team won the football. Hey guys, I still can't believe our team won the football match yesterday. The final goal happened so fast that everyone in the crowd started shouting at.
First, just go to your human generator, and if also have already you have human generator character, just move on to the next step. So here I can just go here and add any random character, and I'm going to generate new character. So after this, we can just go here, body. You can do all your customization you want, do anything you want, and you can change the height. You can do whatever you want. Can add the hair. You can also add cloth you want. Let's say you have your human generator character and you want to animate the lips using AutoLipSync Pro. This add-on requires you to have the required Viseme pose action or shape key. This add-on you can use pose action or you can use shape keys. But for human generator, we are going to use shape keys, and that shape keys you are not going to create by yourself. We are going to use automatically to load these shape keys onto our human generator for character. So let's go. When I select this character and I go to object data property here, it has all the shape keys here. Let me show you how we can add the required Viseme shape key. Here are the required Viseme shape keys. It is 13. We have vein none, vein open, vein explosive, so it go on. Okay, so but we don't need to create it by yourself. We have this add-on, is free. The link is in this video description. Okay, it's called Viseme For HumanGen. I'm going to show you how to install that. Let's go to edit preference. Now it's here. I'm just go and select it, and it's going to be installed. So let's go down here and it will appear here. We call it Viseme For HumanGen. I'm going to add my character body, and I'm going to add the eye. You can add the eye or you can skip it because the eyes don't. Okay, so I'm going to add the upper jaw, the lower teeth. So these are the most important parts it needs. After this, I'm going to click on generate Viseme. So just click on this and let's wait for some few seconds, and it's going to generate all this required Viseme shape keys. Okay, now it has done. So if you go to shape keys, we can see there's a new shape key that has added to ones we already have in here. So when I go here and we have vein open. Okay, and we can see it open our character jaw. So all the required shape key has been added. Let me go here and hide other parts. Here I try to make my scene run smooth by toggle off the max modifier on the character. Okay, I turn it off. Also the solidify modifier sometimes make the scene go slow, so you can turn those modify off for viewport. Okay, and also you can just go here and simplify your scene so that your scene will run smooth. You can also hide the particles from viewport. Now we have this jaw open. When I go to AutoLipSync, you see it require vein open. Here's it, the vein open. We also have the vein none also here. So all the required shaping has been added, so you don't need to do anything. So the next thing is when you select your character main body and you move it, and you can see the lower jaw is following the character like this. You can see the lower jaw is following the character like this. What you have to do is when you click on connect drivers, leave the default settings. We need to connect only the tank, the tank width, the tank out, and the tank narrow. Right now when I open the jaw like this, And so right now when I click on tank raise, it does not raise because it is a separate object. We need to use this to raise, but we don't have to do that. We can just connect them using drivers. So I can just click on connect drivers, and this only part I need to connect. The view open and this one is not necessary. We need to connect this. Okay, if you move your cursor and the jaw is not following, that means, and then you can just connect the others. But right now let's connect this. Okay, so right now when I select this and I make tank raise up, you can see the tank raise, but I'm selecting the body. So this is what we want. Okay, so let me set the varieties here. So we have done generating the Viseme shape key for our human generator character. The next thing is, let's go to AutoLipSync Pro, and right now we can just load any audio. I have load audio. I'm going to convert. So after converting here, I don't need all the audio. I just need maybe 500 frames. So I'm going to push convert.
Hey guys, I still can't believe our team won the football match yesterday. The final goal happened so fast that everyone in the crowd started shouting at the same time. After the game, in the middle of the room.
Okay, so here we see it end on frame 500. I don't need this, is just demonstration. If you want more tutorial about AutoLipSync Pro, there's video in the description. There's a link, go deep. Okay, so now I'm waiting for it to convert, and then after that we can just animate the lips. So as it's processing, let's go down here to character lip sync, and I'm going to assign my character, and it will say validate shape keys. Okay, or required shape keys found. So all the required shape keys have been found. Right now, let's go to frame 0. Before we generate a lip sync for our character, make sure you go to frame 0 and look for this shape keys for your human generator and add keyframe for them at frame 0. Because if you don't insert keyframe for them and we generate the lip sync, the add-on will reset this value to 0. Okay, it will reset all these values to 0, so we don't need that. We want to keep it at its what as it is. So it has frame generating. So the next thing is, let's click on generate lip sync and click OK. And right now,
Hey guys, I still can't believe.
Let me go here, scribing.
I still can't believe our team won the football match yesterday. The final goal happened so fast that everyone in the crowd started shouting at the same time. After the game, we all went to celebrate at my friend's house and had a small party with music, snacks, and lots of funny moments. Someone even tried.
Okay, so if I go to here, you can see.
Hey guys, I still can't believe our team won the football match yesterday. The final goal happened so fast that everyone in the crowd started shouting at the same time. After the game, we all went to celebrate at my friend's house and had a small party with music, snacks, and lots of funny moments.
The shape key we added also comes with blink. You can see it here. You can use to create a blink. Just go to auto blink, add your character here, and I'm going to search for blink. Combined, generate. Let's generate. So for here we can see.
Hey guys, I still can't believe our team won the football match yesterday. The final goal happened so fast that everyone in the crowd started shouting at the.
Okay, let me close it now like this and generate.
Hey guys, I still can't believe our team won the football match yesterday. The final goal happened so fast that everyone in the crowd started shouting at the same time. After the game, we all went to celebrate at my friend's house and had a small party with music, snacks, and lots of funny moments. Someone even tried dancing in the middle of the room.
So here, if you think the character open the mouth or the movement of the shape key are much, you can just go generate, and here you can decrease the influence key. And this one, you can see when the jaw is open, it open much here. You can decrease the the shape key strength before generating. This will prevent the jaw open way high like that. Like maybe like here. Right now we are on frame 256. When I regenerate and I go to that frame 256, you can see now is not much open like before.
I still can't believe our team won the football match yesterday. The final goal happened so fast that everyone in the crowd started shouting at the same time. After the game, we all went to celebrate at my friend's house and had a small party with music, snacks, and lots of funny moments. Someone even tried dancing in the middle. Hey guys, I still can't believe our team won the football. Hey guys, I still can't believe our team won the football match yesterday. The final goal happened so fast that everyone in the crowd started shouting at the same time. After the game, we all went to celebrate at my friend's house and had a small party with music, snacks, and lots of funny moments.
Yes, this is the end of the tutorial. And for the Viseme generator add-on, it's completely free. It's completely free. It's completely free, and you can get it on my Gumroad. And also, you can also get the AutoLipSync Pro from vendor market or Gumroad. So this is the end of the tutorial. And if you have any question, you can just ask me. Thank you.